The U.S. Navy has secured a major deal with French company Exail to bolster its autonomous underwater capabilities. The agreement includes the purchase of 100 Phins Compact inertial navigation systems, INS, designed for unmanned underwater vehicles, UUVs, marking a step toward greater precision and independence in future naval missions where satellite guidance may be compromised. Exail's technology is built around fiber optic gyroscopes that operate without moving parts, ensuring silent performance, high durability, and immunity to electromagnetic and acoustic disruptions. These systems deliver highly accurate navigation for hours without signal drift, making them a valuable asset in environments where GPS is unavailable or jammed. UUVs are becoming increasingly vital in modern naval strategy, handling tasks such as covert surveillance, seabed mapping, mine countermeasures, critical infrastructure protection, and anti-submarine operations. By equipping these drones with Phins Compact systems, the U.S. Navy can navigate deep-sea missions autonomously while reducing vulnerability to electronic warfare tactics. The Phins Compact also offers logistical advantages. Its low energy consumption and mean time between failures exceeding 100,000 hours reduce maintenance demands and enhance fleet readiness. Integration is simplified thanks to its modular build and support for communication protocols like Ethernet and CAN, allowing seamless adoption across multiple UUV platforms. The system further refines positioning accuracy by merging inertial and acoustic data in real time through an unscented Kalman filter, adjusting to underwater conditions on the fly. Beyond performance, the choice of Exail reflects Washington's ongoing push to diversify its defense technology sources while bypassing certain U.S. arms trade restrictions, ITAR. The availability of an ITAR-free variant of the Phins Compact made it particularly attractive for sensitive naval programs that require fewer regulatory hurdles. This procurement may set the stage for deeper collaboration between U.S. defense authorities and Exail, potentially leading to co-developed technologies for next-generation underwater drones. As undersea warfare and unconventional maritime threats gain prominence in contested waters, the adoption of resilient, non-GPS-dependent navigation solutions represents a strategic leap forward for American naval autonomy.